So what's up, YouTube? So we're going to show you how to bind to Crossfire. I know a lot of you might know this, but I'm going to try to do like a video a day and try to get back into this. So what we want to do is I'm going to use the smoke stopper. So with that, you just plug it in here. Hard to do it one hand. I got to get my rigs and all set back up again. And then we're going to take our light bow. I'll try to do this. I can let you see. And we're going to plug our light bow in to this. And I'm going to press that. That's the 2 amp button. So when I'm ready, all I have to do is press that and we're good. So let's come over to here and press your radio. Go to Crossfire configure. Press down your scroll wheel. Press down on it again. It'll go. You want to go down here to binding. So scroll down on the wheel. Press down again. It's now binding. So now all we have to do is power up the quad and then press this button within 2 seconds, and she should talk and pick up. So let's go ahead and power up the quad and press the button. And you see right there, confirmation, update receiver. Press the wheel, and as you can see, it's updating. Just let that go till it updates, and we'll be back to show you what it says. So you see, once it's done, it says update OK. So then you want to go over here, and it'll just do the screen, and it goes once you're to the screen and it says update OK, you're good. So then go to failsafe and hit set failsafe, and you see it said set and failsafe, and it's set. You're good to go. Exit on out, and you're now bound. Turn off your transmitter.
Receiver still connected.
You see? She's already telling you receiver still connected. Power off. Once it finds the receiver's powered down, it'll power itself down. See? Just like that. And that's how you bind to the Crossfire Nano receiver.